Can I request a copy of my DCPP records?
In New Jersey, you can request a copy of your DCPP records if you were a parent who was accused of child abuse and neglect, or even if you were a parent of a child who was found to have been abused or neglected. You have a right to request certain information about the investigation. Now, more often than not, that information is going to be very highly redacted. Certain information you are not entitled to have. For instance, you're not entitled to have the name of the reporter, whoever initiated the call to the agency alleging child abuse and neglect, unless you're defending yourself against a finding. There are times where you could request medical records that were obtained by the agency in investigating child welfare matters, and so forth. So it's very specific information that you can request, and certain information that's otherwise in the record is going to be omitted and is going to be redacted. If you want to see an unredacted copy of your entire DCPP record, that typically happens by an application to the Superior Court, and then the agency turns over its entire file to a judge who might allow you to see it in chambers, meaning you can have an area of the judge's private chambers to look at the records if you have an attorney. If you don't have an attorney, sometimes the court will appoint someone from the court to watch you in a conference room while you look through the records. But ultimately, the records are confidential, and the agency and the court work very hard to ensure that only the necessary information is released to you for the purpose that you identify.